just want to say hi to my doggy.
Yes. Hi, doggy. Hi. What's his name?
I don't know.
The dog? Sherry?
Siri.
Sherry?
Yeah.
Or what?
Siri.
Sherry?
Yes, Siri is my name.
Your name?
Yeah. Siri is my puppy name. Mama, now you say hi to her.
Hi, Sherry. Thank you, Sherry. वो मैं तुम्हें बताया नहीं जो मैंने
Mama, I want to tell you something.
जो मुझे
Siri
ख्वाब आया
get
था
for you. Mama, I want to tell you
Huh?
something. Siri get for you. Mama, close her eyes. Open her eyes.
अच्छा चलो सुनाती रहो, मैं फिर इसकी आवाज़ काट दूँ।
Mama, come. I gave you. Siri bought it for you. Mama, Siri bought it for you.
Sherry brought it for me.
Mama, it's for your head.
It is for head. You can also use for announcing. Hazrat, पर्दा खुल गया. ऐसे कर. Hello, Biha.
Mama, no.
Sorry. Sorry, yeah.
Sherry's getting something. But Sherry cannot jump so high up in the air, and she cannot fly.
Oh, okay.
I will tell her how to fly. Mama, hurry up. Mama, hurry up in this. Hurry up in this book with this hair flying sensors. Mama, hurry up in this book. Mama, hurry up for the flying book. Mama, read this book with this hair flying sensor. Here's the flying sensor. Mama, this one is Baba.
Sure to Baba. But he is not really Baba. He look like Baba, but he's not Baba.
But
You
why?
have only one Baba.
Mama, I'm just looking for a flying sensor. And you can get a picture. Mama, I'm just looking in the flying sensor. This is a Baba.
You can show to Baba.
Yes.
You can ask Baba. Is Baba that is you?
Mama, let me check. This one is Baba.
कमर अभी भी ऐसे ही लगता है. मैंने जब वो आयशा थी